everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it is just another unboxing, but it is Love Lula. Now Love Lula is a natural skincare company that does beauty boxes, and they have all sorts of other stuff that they do. But this box is £13.95 a month, and it's a recurring monthly subscription, or you can buy a one-off box for £19.95 a month. And you can buy this for international customers. International people can buy this, so it will ship to America and international places, and that is £52 for a 3 months one. I'm not sure how much it is for the year one though, but that's what I do know. So let's just get into the box. Now it is not a pretty box because it's just a plain box, but usually the contents is worth more than what you would pay for the box anyway. So it is, like I said, it's £13.95 a month. So you usually get your money's worth with Love Lula, and the products is usually amazing. I mean, I love that massaging oil that I got last time, the Kathleen one. Oh my god, that was really amazing. It's gorgeous scent and everything, just super relaxing. And okay, so I'm just gonna have to tip some of these wormies out because I can't get to the products. Right, so this is the November Love Lula box. So we will see. We will pick this out because, oh wow, do you know, can't believe that. This is the Urban Veda Purifying Exfoliating Facial Polish. Well, the other day, what was it, Friday, I went out shopping with my daughter and I bought this. And I love it. This is the Urban Veda Daily Reviving Facial Wash. This is the Rose and Botanics one, and it's clarifying, aromatic and repulsion. So I bought that and I love it. It really is good. I also saw this as well, but it was really expensive. It was about £13. So, and that was on offer for £5.99. So I bought that one. I'm really pleased I got this one because it is expensive, and I love Urban Veda. It really is a good one. It's purifying, it's deep cleansing, and it's all for oil prone skin. Mine does get a little bit oily. It's just because when I go to the gym I get sweaty, so it gets oily. So oh my, I'm super happy I got that. Right, so I will pull the products out, and then we'll have a little look at them later. So I'm just pulling them out because I'm already happy with that. Oh wow, we have got an Altair Organics Rosehip Seed Oil. This is a nourishing face oil, and it's suitable for all skin types. It's hydrating, soothing and softening. Sorry I didn't show you that there, but there it is. So happy with that. I love that. I love this type of stuff. Right, so I'll just put that there, and then we got you are a VV Cream Gentle Exfoliator Beauty Cream Exfoliator for the V Exfoliate Refine and Renew. So this is a Nordic purity inspired by Scandinavia. I'm sorry, I didn't show you the box, did I? I'm going to show you the box. So the cool, intense Nordic climate grows pure and potent ingredients with natural skin enhancing benefits. This is the Nordic region's most powerful and unique ingredients are used across the Perfect V product range. So it's Arctic cloudberry, it's bilberry, it's elderflower, it's lingonberry, rose canania, flute oil and sea buckthorn. Wow, that sounds amazing. So we'll keep pulling these out. I've definitely got my money's worth with this box. I know I have. It's done me well. Oh, okay, so I like Ren as well. We got a Ren product in this month's box. It's the Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask. So Glycol Lactic Mask. That's going into the French bit now. I can't do French. No way. So that's cruelty free and it's a really good one. So that's a mask. Ren is usually good, a good brand. And we've also got a Sabikari, I can't pronounce that. It's an Oblivica Sabikari Professional Hand Cream. So this is a nourishing alibi sea buckthorn organic oil. It's a organic oil again and cranberry seed oil, and there's no parabens in it. Born Siberia, made in England. So there we go, and there it is. So that's that one, and you do need to, I think that could be the end of the box. Well, we got a lot for that, for £13 there. Right, okay, so this is the Perfect V. We're going to go on about this. So this is the Perfect V Gentle Exfoliator, and it's new to Love Lula. It gently exfoliates the V area for cell renewal and to help ward off and prepare skin for any potential problems with ingrowing hairs and redness. Right, okay, so I somehow don't think that is for your face. So this is a new luxury skincare line to the Beautify the V, the small triangle. We wax, shave, laser, sugar, trim, dye, even, then leave until the next time. This is a multitasking beauty cream, serum, mist and sheets to pamper the delicate skin of your V. All right, so let's just have a look at it. Right, so it comes in that sort of casing. There we go. And I'm sure that this is just an exfoliator. But right, so that's what it looks like. And yes, that is definitely a exfoliator. It's really scrubby, and you can feel the scrubbiness. There's not much of a scent, which is pretty good. I don't like a lot of scented products, so that's quite good. It's really like a little bit scrubby, and that's what you need. Right, so then we got this, don't we, which is what's going to go on about next. Is this, what is it? This one? It is this one. This one is the Aloe Organics Rosehip Seed Oil, and this is 100% certified organic cold-pressed rosehip oil. It is exceptionally rich in essential fatty acids. This powerful and pure antioxidant oil is great for soothing, softening and hydrating your skin, and perfect for everyday use. Right, okay, so how do we get into this? I think I'm going to have to use my scissors to open this box. Or does it just push out? It just pushes up. Right, so there it is. You see it. Right. I do like these dropper bottles, and I do like rosehip seed oil as well. So, wow. So there it is. Oh, it smells like rosehips as well. I do like the scent of it. And let's just try a little bit. So that's what it comes out like. Just like that. And it's really, really moisturising. You can see it's left a shine there, and it's gorgeous. I do like it. It's really, really hydrating, and it's perfect for people that has dry skin and you just want to nourish the skin on your face, because this is like cold weather, and cold weather is going to cause havoc to your skin, so you need to keep it hydrated, especially in the winter time because of the cold. Right, okay, so then we're going to go on to what is next, which is my favourite, which is this one. This is the Urban Veda Purifying Exfoliating Facial Polish. Polish. I always say the word wrong. It's polish. This is a new formulation and it's naturally formulated for a deep cleanse. This is the award-winning revitalizing scrub. It contains natural pumice to exfoliate, cold-pressed neem oil to refresh, and spearmint to remove the impurities and treat blackheads. Right, okay, so I'm gonna open it like so and just put a little tiny bit. Oh, that's what it looks like there. So it is like a scrubby one. You can feel it like actually scrubbing on your skin. I can definitely smell the spearmint in that. It's really a minty scent. So, oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. Right, so that is a good one as well. I do, up to now, I love these products. I do love them. So, and that one as well. I like these a lot. Really good items this month. So then we got the Ren, which is the mask. This is the Glycol-Lactic Radiance Renewer Mask, and this is a potent bioactive peel mask. It is designed to renew the complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and dramatically improve the skin tone. So it takes down all of like your redness and uneven skin tones, which is perfect. So, okay, so let's just have a little look at this. And this, like, I would say you should use this about maybe twice a week. One of these. Tastes like oranges. Right, so it's like a orangey sort of thing. There we go. As you see, it's like orange, but it's going to come up clear because it's just not going to show. It does have a scent of oranges, like tangerines. So it's like very, I'm sure there probably be like a vitamin C thing in here because it just smells like orange, and it does have the ingredients on it as well. So, but there's loads of it, and it's really, really bad to read. So I can't read it. Right, so it just is to improve the skin tone. So yeah, that's what it is. Right, okay, so we're going to go into this now then. This is the Oblerifica Siberica hand cream. I think I pronounced it just right. Right, so this is wild harvested, which means it's probably better for you. And it is nourishing, and it's what you need this type of weather, because my hands is drying up like I don't know what. I mean, it is bad weather outside. It's cold and my hands feel dry. I don't know about yours, but mine do. They suffer with the cold, and I feel like the skin drying. So I'm pleased I got this in there. Right, so what it says about this is it's a natural Siberica. This is new to Love Lula. It's gently daily care with permanently preserve your youth and beauty for your hands. Oh, wow. Oh, and by the way, this month's total box, £66. Wow, that is amazing. Since as though I paid only $13.95 for this box, I definitely got a good deal. And there we go. I'm going to try this hand cream. And okay. These don't taste very nice. It has a smell of like a raspberry. It really does. And it's going to come out like a little yellowy substance. Right, so I'm just going to try and find a place that's not scented. Oh, definitely raspberries. It's like that sort of thing. It has a raspberry scent to it. It comes out like that. And now I'm just going to try it on my hands. Oh, it's gorgeous. It really does have a nice scent to it. Definitely raspberries. It's a mix between a raspberry and a strawberry scent. It just smells like a bit like a, you know, like a strawberry milkshake that's like one of them McDonald's ones. I shouldn't say that. McDonald's strawberry milkshake. Well, that's what it smells like. But when I first opened it, I thought it was a raspberry, but it's really is really a nice hand cream. I like it. Oh wow, it's gorgeous. I love that. Really, really is nice. Right, okay, so that is the end of this box unboxing. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel. I have a latest in beauty unboxing coming up, and that will be quite good. So if you liked this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Oh, and by the way, there is some voucher codes down below for this box. You can get 15% off and then another 15% off. So yeah, so always check the down below bit, because that is where all the codes go, and I put them all there. Bye bye.